There it is. Told you. Hey, did I say that there's fish here all the time? I always catch one? How's it going, everybody? On this episode, me and my buddy Chad are out on the big old Mighty Mo again, hoping to get on a bunch of them. We had some rods out this morning and we had quite a bit of success, but the fog was very thick on us, so I couldn't get the cameras up. I didn't want anything to get damaged, or, you know, honestly, they were just fogging up over the camera lenses as it was too, so it would have been hard to see anything. But if you guys enjoy this episode, please hit that like and subscribe. Thank you. Me and Chad are starting off on a nice little ledge. It's got some good current going through it. We're gonna see what happens. What can you say about that?
That's it. Two rods get head since we got all retightened back out. Well, it should go down or go up. Hopefully to keep the water. Oh, there you go. Hey. Oh, there you go. Keep them on out there.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Oh,
he
come
just
off.
came off. You freaking kidding me? God. Didn't feel like a monster. Didn't feel like that last one, but it's definitely.
Well, it's hard to tell with the
Definitely a good
rods.
one.
You got like no backbone in the rods. They're just level right out.
You gonna tell me that that leader line, this one was nicked now too? I'm telling you, the line's bad. It broke it off. Broke off my leader.
It broke right where your hook was. It was just fucking knot. Yeah. Yep. Where your knot was, you have to have a knot tied on your top of it. Where your hook was. You had a bad hook. You pulled it too tight and stressed the line, I think.
Well, me and Chad weren't able to get on one on that first spot, so we're moving down to a second spot here, and hopefully we can get on a real nice one in this area. It's got a little wing dike that kind of kicks out. Looks like a really good spot. A little bit of channel that kind of runs through.
And do a little bit of bumpy throwing.
Bump it back. Oh, good. Oh. Porch, my God. And my thumb.
Yeah, that was a bump down back in.
Go for it, bud. I can handle this one myself. Get another
Are
one.
you sure?
Yeah. I gotta wear them out. Try to get him inside of the boat. Oh!
He come off? Oh my gosh.
He broke me
You
off.
broke off. Oh, that line?
It's
God.
God. Here left. Fingerprint left. That was Awesome. That's the biggest one
That's
I've
right.
ever done with that.
That's the bumping.
But that's the way I usually do is I get in front and work the hole.
Yeah.
I don't just go down the river.
Me and Chad didn't get any bumping. He had one heck of a really good takedown. But other than that, we weren't able to get on one bumping. So we're gonna try our hands at some trolling, see what we can do. It's middle of the day, trolling usually.
Ooh. Ooh.
Yep.
Ooh. That's a blue.
Oh yeah, it's definitely a blue. Just getting into
That's a little chunk.
fully
too.
committed.
That's a little chunk.
Yep, getting
Really
closer to the
about
mouth.
like that.
Closer we get to the mouth, that's why I rarely ever go up that far.
Big one. Hard. This is like the most bitterest tasting watermelon. And it was, oh,
Jesus, he came off? How did he come off? My God. The drag was just feeling with. How the hell did he come off? Alright, me and Chad just arrived at our next spot. We got a little hard cut bank here we're gonna try, and hopefully we can get on one. We got a slight breeze. You can kind of feel here, not like back in the slough.
oh, it's
That's
just the
in
fucking
there.
sun beating down on you.
Oh, there he is. He's there. He's there.
No,
Oh my God.
that was a big chunk I put on there.
If you had a stinger on there, he would have been on for sure.
I didn't know you were gonna start it.
Yeah, you did.
I did not.
Oh man. Alright, me and Chad just arrived at our next spot. We got a little hard cut bank here we're gonna try, and hopefully we can get on one. Alright. Hate you. I bet it's got me doing that too. Hey! Dude! That'll teach you to me. That'll teach you.
You never had the hook. I gotta put a shorter one
Get
on.
some stingers on.
I don't like
I
them.
told you that big one was gonna eventually come up here. There it is. Told you. Hey, did I say that there's fish here all the time? I always catch one?
Well,
Right, I mean, he's not big. Where is he? Where is he? Or is he? Oh, that was a good little wake that just came up. Did you see that?
do I get your other one?
I was gonna say, now my yellow one, or my white one's going too. Yeah, he's running upriver with my white one. Or this one ran into him. Nope, my white one's going too. My white one's going. Nope. This one's decent. Oh, you went too soon. Oh, hey. Oh, camera.
No, I didn't go too soon. You wrapped
Oh.
the other one.
Did it?
Wrap in there?
Oh, he did, right?
Well, don't take him in the
I not tried to. You're the one that's. Hold on, Lane. Come on, swim over here. Swim over here. Oh, Jesus. Oh, this beanie is gonna. Oh, dude. The Mimi. Oh, God, I love this current. Hey, he's a decent one. Oh, look how pink. Can you just grab him?
No.
This current. Your beanie. It's killing me. God. Oh yeah, he's a good one. It's a real good one. He's a real good one.
Look up the size of the one I caught.
Yep. Let me get a stinger. Stinger got him. Oh, you got him on the top jaw. You gotta get him on the bottom. Got him? No, the whisker seekers
No,
suck.
somebody didn't know what they were doing. Thought they won't close all the way.
You got it?
Just don't want them falling on my toe and stabbing me.
Okay.
That's about the size I caught
Yep.
all them there in Blair.
Oh, that's a mess. That's a complete re-rig. Here, please. I'm gonna stand it on this side. Other side. That's a complete re-rig. Oh yeah. There's a nice one. Real nice one. I love this spot. I usually always get one out of this spot. Real nice one. All right, we're gonna get him back in. Yep, you want to be out a little bit further. All right. Ready? Are you ready? There he goes. There he goes. Oh yeah. Yeah, should be. Thank you for taking me to my favorite spot. I told you every time here. I always catch one here. Well, I only got on that one, but boy did we ever have a lot of bites. And a lot of equipment issues, fishing line, hooks, just everything. But we had so much fun. You know, it was, you know, we got the one fish, but God, some of the takedowns, some of the just, yeah, everything. It was a lot of fun. If you guys enjoyed this episode, please hit that like.